Hello, my dear viewers. Today, we are going to discuss a company that is creating a buzz in India's EV sector with its feature-packed scooters. We are talking about Ola Electric, which entered the EV sector in 2020 and is now aiming to compete with the established players like Hero Electric and Ather in the EV market, just like they did in the two-wheeler sector. While Ather took 8 years to design and assemble EVs, Ola managed to launch its scooters within just 1 year. Why did Ola rush so quickly, and will Ola be able to secure funding in time? Let's uncover these questions. First,
पेटीएम जोमैटो के बाद एक और यूनिकॉर्न की शेयर बाजार में एंट्री की तैयारी है। ओला देश का जाना माना यूनिकॉर्न इस साल शेयर बाजार में दस्तक देने का प्लान बना रहा है। माना जा रहा है कि इस साल के आखिर में ओला इलेक्ट्रिक का आईपीओ आ सकता है। खबरें ऐसी भी हैं कि ये इस साल का सबसे बड़ा आईपीओ हो सकता है।
An EV war has supercharged Karnataka politics, with Ola gearing up for an EV hub in Tamil Nadu. Industrialists and opposition members in Karnataka are asking, why did the election-bound state lose out on this mega investment?
आईपीओ को मैनेज करने की जिम्मेदारी ओला इलेक्ट्रिक ने कोटक गोल्डमैन सैच्स को दे दी है। इसके अलावा 2 बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स बैंक को भी इसकी जिम्मेदारी दी जानी है। ये सभी मिलकर आईपीओ के लिए रोड मैप तैयार करेंगे। अभी आईपीओ का साइज कितना होगा इस पर कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई है। ओला की वैल्यूएशन को देखते हुए माना जा रहा है कि ये आईपीओ साल का बड़ा आईपीओ हो सकता है। ओला इलेक्ट्रिक।
Let's familiarize ourselves with Ola's history. Ola's founder is Bhavish Agarwal, and its co-founder is Ankit Bhatti. They launched the company in 2010, and by 2015, it had become a unicorn company. Ola made several strategic acquisitions early on, such as Taxi for Sure, which they acquired for $200 million in 2015, making Ola the most popular online taxi service in India. So, the question arises, why did Bhavish Agarwal, after establishing a successful taxi service, venture into the EV sector in 2020? There are 2 main reasons for this. Firstly, the Ola cab service wasn't performing as well as it used to, especially after 2020 due to the impact of COVID-19. Before COVID, Ola had a large number of cab drivers, and the financial year 2019 was its most profitable year. However, after the pandemic, the demand for cab services plummeted, leading Ola to operate at a loss. To better explain this situation, a video was created. The second reason is related to the upcoming demand and profits expected in the EV vehicle sector. Ola anticipates that the upcoming years will witness a significant demand for EVs, which will completely replace the internal combustion engine in two-wheelers by 2030. This prediction is supported by various charts, which indicate that EV sales were only around 0.75% in 2022 but are expected to reach 17.53% by 2030, showing a substantial 24% growth. In this context, Ola sees a $1 trillion opportunity in the rapidly growing EV sector. Ola is taking advantage of this growth by employing a multi-pronged strategy, which involves launching various EV products simultaneously, such as scooters, motorcycles, sedans, and SUVs. This strategy is driven by Ola's desire to seize the first-mover advantage. They plan to implement this strategy by launching a range of EV products and capturing a significant share of the expected 155 million 2- and 4-wheeler demand in India in the coming years. Now, let's address the questions about funding and manufacturing. Ola's manufacturing facility, known as the Future Factory, is the largest two-wheeler factory in India, situated in the Krishna Nagar district. It is highly automated, with over 3,000 robots managing material transportation within the supply chains and a fully automated painting line. This factory can produce up to 1 million units of scooters annually on its 10 assembly lines. In terms of funding, Ola has a history of successfully raising substantial funds from various investors. They secured funding from angel investors within a year of launch, followed by investments from big companies like Tiger Global Management, Matrix Partners, and Tencent Holdings. In 2015, Ola Electric became a unicorn company with a valuation of $1 billion. Over the years, Ola Electric received funding from various sources, including Tencent Holdings, Techni Capital, and Alpine Capital, which collectively valued Ola Electric's EV arm at $5 billion. So far, Ola Electric has secured at least $880 million in equity funding and $500 million in debt funding. Notable investors include SoftBank, Temasek, and IIFL, among others. Now, let's take a look at the challenges Ola Electric might face in this endeavor. The recent incidents of vehicle fires have raised concerns among customers and could impact their trust. Additionally, in the competitive EV sector, Ola Electric needs to outperform its rivals. While Ola holds a 6% share in the EV market, market leader Hero Electric commands 28%. Time will tell how successful Ola Electric is on this journey, and by 2030, we will see the outcomes. Like, share, subscribe.